Here's how to get performance mode on Fortnite PS5. First is open your Fortnite PS5 and go ahead and find the gear icon and go ahead and click on the settings. On the settings, you'll be able to see there all the options. What you need to do is to look for save data, game, and app settings, and then click on that. After clicking on that, you will be redirected on the page where you will see there the game presets. What you need to do is to click on that as well. After clearing the game presets, you will be able to see there the performance mode or resolution mode options. So what you need to do is to click on that. Now, after clicking on the performance mode or resolution mode, you will be able to see there the options on how are you going to set the performance mode. What you need to do is from the game default, click on the performance mode, and then afterwards, you're gonna go ahead and enjoy playing the Fortnite on its performance mode on PS5.